Alright, so my shift knob did not want to work. It was just loose. You can move it back and forth. Nothing happened. I checked underneath the transmission. Um, everything was well. Everything was well over there. And this is what I found out. After you take out these 4 screws right here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. All right, take this off. Look at that right there. It's loose. So the bushing right here, you'll see it's worn out right there. So I went to AutoZone and I found the part number. O'Reilly's. I'm sorry, I went to O'Reilly's. And this is the part number 14055. 14055. It's a Dorman brand. And this seems to be the part number. I got this from with help from a group on a Corvette group that I subscribed to on Facebook. I couldn't find anything on YouTube, so that's the reason why I'm posting this. But someone on Facebook had the same problem, and they said this was the bushing. They got it and it worked, so he was nice enough to give me the part number. So now I'm sharing it with you guys in case you have this problem. But yeah, so I'm gonna take out the old one, and I'm gonna put the new one, and then I'll show you guys that when it's done. So this is the new one right here, and I'm assuming it goes right in there. So we're gonna put it in here first. We're gonna put it in the bottom. See if I could do it with one hand. It's kind of uncomfortable here. I'm trying to get. Alright, I'm gonna have to let go of the phone real quick. Oh, it looked like it snapped in. No, it didn't. Let's try it. Alright, as you can see here, I was able to snap it on. It took me a while. I had to force it in with some pliers. Yeah, but it's finally there. So next step is to put the shift gear on and snap that on. So we'll see right now. It's snapped on perfectly. All right. I don't know that you can see there. Kind of tough to see, but it's snapped on. Now I'll put that on. Right now it's on drive. I put it on park. It's parked perfectly. So it's working. I shut it off so I can put the screws on. Then we'll be done.